Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's very easy. You don't even need tools for this. Open up the glove box, take everything out of it, and then you're going to have this little latch on the side. You're just going to push it this way. Push it up, and once you release it, get it out of the way, okay? Next, you got these two tabs here, one here, one here. Pull them up. This whole thing's going to fold down, and your filter's right in here. Next, you need to take off this cover. So what you're gonna do, there's three tabs on top. You're gonna push down on these tabs, but kind of pull back on this at the same time, okay? Okay, then you're gonna lift it up, and here's your filter. This filter just pulls right out. All right, when you get your new filter, just make sure the arrow, the airflow arrow is pointing down because the air is coming down this way, okay? So slide it back in place. Then you're gonna put in this cover. See these tabs on the bottom? They're just gonna slide into these slots right here, like that. And then you're just gonna push it in place. When you hear it click, you're good. Next, take your glove box and swing it up until it catches on top there. Then take your latch and pull it out. This is a little hard, okay. Pull it out and put it right back in here. There you go. And push it so it clicks. And then you can put all your junk back in here. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.